Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find out your GitHub version. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, first you will need just to know that the versions are enabled or are available only in the GitHub Enterprise. This means the premium plan or the enterprise version of GitHub. And basically here in this video, we're just going to see this documentation in this Stack Overflow article or post. And from here, we will understand or know where you can find out your GitHub version for your enterprise. So first, you can use your some APIs that can give you the version installed for your enterprise. As you can see, it's only about GitHub Enterprise. And basically, there is this API that you can use. So those are some Meta API, and you can just have this URL link, and then it will find out exactly your own enterprise, and from there you can find the installed version. Otherwise, if you are going to use the GitHub API, like this one, api.github.com, and you use the Meta endpoints, and basically here you will find the verifiable password authentication, etc. And you will be needing to find and search for the installed version. And basically you can access to your enterprise by going to your dashboard, and from there you can find your organization if you go to your profile picture. And from here you can find your profile, your repository, and from there you can go to your organization, and basically you can create a new one, or you can turn your account as an enterprise, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.